Are you looking for the best Canva free alternative? I've got a solution for you. At the end of this video, I'll be releasing the names of those who won our last week's giveaway. That's the 8th giveaway, print on demand model giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won or like to know if you won, definitely stick around to the end to find out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you the tips and tricks on using the Zazzle design tool. If you've never heard about the Zazzle design tool, this is how it looks like. And to get here, if you don't have a Zazzle account, just simply create one. And once you've created and filled in your profile and everything else, from the home page, go directly to create. Once you click on create, it might look different for you, but just come down here to start a new design. Click on it. The reason why I'm showing you a Canva alternative is because it's a transparent background. If you're using the free Canva plan, they don't allow you to download your designs with a transparent background. And we all know that in the print on demand business, you need transparent backgrounds. So when I use Canva, I always have to use another tool to take away the background before I upload it to all the print on demand platforms. But using the Zazzle design tool, this square-like background means if you want to change the background, like this means that it's transparent. If you want to change the background to another color, just click on black. That's a black background or white background, depending on the background that you want. But since we're doing print on demand businesses which require transparent backgrounds, we have it here for free. So the reason why I'm calling Zazzle design tool as a Canva alternative, first because it gives you a transparent background for free. The second thing is that all the icons are free. So if you're searching for an icon, let's say you're doing a design and you want a free icon, instead for you to go to downloading stock images online, it's right here for you. So let's take for example sports. That reminds me, the first design that I made for merch by Amazon that sold, I made it using Zazzle. Let me show you the design. Here's a design that I made. It's a very simple design. This is just when I entered the print on demand business. I really didn't know what I was doing, and I came across the Zazzle design tool, and I was so happy that I had all these icons for free, because when you go to Canva, some are free and some are paid, but everything here on Zazzle is free. So this was for, I made this design for the Super Bowl. Although Merch by Amazon removed this design or took down the design, is because when you have so many sales on a particular design, I had like close to 200 sales, if not more. I priced my shirt at $13.07. That's the base cost. At that point in time, I didn't even really know what I was doing. So at one point in time, I increased the profit by 10 cents. So I was getting 10 cents, 10 cents. Then I increased it again 10 cents. So I was getting 20 cents profit. Anyway, but all that is in the past right now, because that first Merch by Amazon account was closed. So Amazon took down this design. They said it's trademarking Super Bowl. Yeah, although the design doesn't say anything Super Bowl, but because there were too many sales on the design, they had to manually recheck it. They had to recheck the design, and they say, oh yeah, it's Super Bowl and things like that. So the design was taken down. So I use Zazzle, very easy to make this design. Okay guys, so I'll just try to create this design using Zazzle. So search for American football, because Football in different countries is different. So American football, you have to be specific. You have to be specific. That is American football. So it pulled up these graphics, and it seems like that this particular one with the player flying is no more there. So you can choose something like this. It must not be that particular one with the player flying. This looks awesome. This one right here. You can change the color. Remember, we are designing for dark t-shirts. So I always like to, when designing, I always like to start with a dark background because I know that I'm designing on dark t-shirts. So my designs therefore will have to be white. So I'll just put this here, reduce it. Let's see, Miami, Florida, February 2nd, 2020. All right. Go now to the text. There's a particular design that I really liked, or the text, sorry, the particular text that I really liked. It was very unique. It's the first time that I saw a text like that. Let me just put one text. These are the fonts right here. I'm gonna make this color white. So I'm gonna highlight that and change the font to, oh, there you go. So these are the fonts. Let me just put that down. These are the different fonts. Decorative. I like the decorative ones. There you go. Eyeballs. Here it is. Eyeballs. That's the text that I use. Eyeballs. So I'm just gonna push this upward, make it smaller, and change this to, let's see, what does it say? Miami, Florida. Okay, let's start with this one. So I just double clicked on it. If you want to change it, just double click on it. Miami, comma, FL. February 2nd, 2020. February 02, 2020. Okay. So I'll just take out these other ones. And this one. I'll just make this a little bit smaller and this bigger. So all that is left to do is to write super up. So how easy is that to make this design, guys? Seriously. It is just too easy. And this same design was responsible for moving my account from tier 10 to 500. I mean, my first Amazon account. Before the account was closed, this design, sole design, moved my account from tier 10 to 500. So I'm just gonna add super on top. Let's change the font again to, I think it was decorative, then recently used eyeballs. And we're gonna change that color to white. And we're gonna change this to super. So I just changed that to super, then I'll have to enlarge it bigger. Let's see. How easy was that, guys? It was very, very easy. This design didn't even take me close to 5 minutes. It's just basically text and an image. It doesn't take long to produce this design, and in order to be successful with designs like this, You need to upload it prior to, like, take for example the Super Bowl. It is in February, and for you to be successful in your design, you have to upload it at least 3 weeks or 2 weeks before time. So you give it time to rank, then time for people to buy it. So it's always advisable to do your research prior to time, especially for sports. Sports is a very, very lucrative niche, especially for print on demand sellers, because we always have some die-hard fans who are willing to purchase merch every year. So there's no doubt that if your design is good, there's no doubt that it's gonna sell. But if you're not sure about your design skills, Vexels is always there. You can get a plan, and I always recommend a lifetime plan. Once you invest, you never have to pay again. So once you get your plan and you send in your design request, depending on your plan, you have design requests. For me, I have 2 design requests per month. For you, it will differ depending on the plan you choose. Before you download your design, always make sure that you go back to the background and you choose the transparent background. Don't worry that you can't see the design now, but once you upload it on dark t-shirts, you'll definitely see it will be very bright. So there are other things that I want to show you. First thing is this digital. Once you click it, you can customize the format that you want. I have never used this ones. The only one that I use is this one, but feel free to use this if you want to, like, take for example, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can use this, or Twitter. I've never used this, so what I go for is this custom size. I always go for a 4500 by 5400 pixels. So click more and click on this icon. It's going to unlink it, because let me link it back and show you what happens if you don't unlink it. So if I click like 4500, it's gonna update your 4500. If I want to change it to, let's take, because I want to update, I'm designing for 4500 by 5400, but it's making it the same. So if I want to make this different, I have to unlink it. Then I can change this to 5400 and click apply. Then it's going to position, it's going to resize it. All you need to do is come down here. Oh, everything is inside, just to make sure that it doesn't cut out, but everything is inside. So we're good to go. Once you're done, just click download. So there's other things that I want to share with you apart from this resizing. The other thing is that you can upload your files and do editing with it. And if you click on products, you're just going to upload it directly to the Zazzle products. But I don't use this route. The route that I use is the route that I use is Flying Upload. Flying Upload uploads all my designs to Zazzle and other print on demand platforms. So I don't use this route of uploading products. I already talked about the icons. Yes, I already talked about icons. The elements, this is similar to Canva, except that it is free. We've got the shapes, illustrations. Let me click on the illustrations so you can see. So these are the different illustrations. Let's go back. Let's choose lines, different lines, depending on what you want to produce. So there are different things you can do with such shapes. Whatever you want to create is here for you. Just come here, it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. You can download your product, download your design on a transparent background. So it's a great tool that every print on demand business owner will love to have. So just click on Zazzle.com and Come check it out. So the question of the day is, what print-on-demand design tools do you use for designing? Let me know in the comment section below. So congratulations to Raymond Hammond and Amanda Cole for winning the print-on-demand bundle. Definitely reach out to me so you can claim your prizes. So guys, that's it for this video. If you learned something new, give the video a thumbs up so it can help the YouTube algorithm show my videos to more people. And if you'd like to learn more about print-on-demand, merch, as well as KDP, this is a channel for you. Definitely hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.